Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys we are going to go and be talking about how to buy the Deepseek token. So make sure to follow all the steps in the video correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is we can go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here at deepseek.com if you have not already, and this is where you can get started using Deepseek. So by clicking start now right here, it's going to open up a new page where you can get started registering for an account if you do not already have one, and if you have one you can just log in, and once you log in we can get started with using Deepseek. So basically guys, if you're familiar with Deepseek and you want to invest into them, then you can get started with putting some money into them. But for now guys, it's just not possible. Why? Well, because Deepseek has not been listed anywhere. It is still a private company and has a private ICO, and you cannot invest into it. You cannot buy any stocks, you cannot buy any shares, and they have not released an official token. So do not fall for any scams that you find. As you can see right here on Binance.com, it's not listed guys. They don't have a token going on. If they do release a token, it's probably going to become pretty popular and you'll be able to hear about it on the news. But yeah guys, basically you can follow the markets right here. So click on the markets tab on Binance and take a look at all the top tokens. You can see there is no Deepseek right here, and if they do release a token, it's probably going to be one of the top tokens. So make sure to not follow for any scams, and once they do go public, then you'll be able to invest into them. But just for now, it's not possible. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.